Tripp-Lite's desk mounts for flat panel displays free up valuable space in your workstation by allowing you to effortlessly reposition your display at any time, even after installation. Available in models for both 1 and 2 monitors, their durable, all-metal frames support screen sizes of up to 27 inches and weights of up to 30 pounds. VESA-compliant hole patterns and included mounting hardware make installations quick, easy, and secure. If you're looking for a simple, convenient way to free up space in your workstation, order a desktop display mount from Tripp-Lite.